And that was the last time we ever saw him. The very last time.
So, whatever the reason, his heart or his shoes, he stood outside his cave, hating the Whos.
Alphabetically. Aardvarkian, Abacanesia Who? I hate you! Araby Benson Who? I hate you. Hate, 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 hate. Double hate. Loathe entirely. Nutcrackers. It's their jubilation.
He snarled with a sneer.
Tomorrow is Christmas. It's practically here. Max! Fetch me my sedative! How to take care of those pesky memories. Ugh.